So now let us go to a second topic, which is representation of sets. So how are sets represented? How are sets written? So sets are represented in two forms. The first is a roster form or a list form or tabular form, so on. So all these are the different ways of saying the same thing. So roster form, list form or tabular form. And the second is set builder form. So sets are usually represented in two ways, roster form and set builder form. So let us see what these forms are. So before going to that, so let us look at some of the sets that you know in your lower classes, some of the number sets. So you already know some sample sets, which are the set of natural numbers. So you know what a set of natural numbers is. Set of natural numbers is the set containing 1, 2, 3, so on, all the counting numbers. And the set of whole numbers, I don't need to explain what set of whole numbers is, you know what they are. And the set of integers, the set of rational numbers, the set of irrational numbers, the set of real numbers, so on. So these are some of the standard sets that you know. Natural numbers goes from 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. Integers have both positive numbers as well as negative numbers. Q, rational numbers are nothing but quotient numbers. That is, the numbers written in the form of P by Q. Irrational numbers are the numbers which are not rational. Real numbers are a total set containing both rational and irrational numbers. Now, how can we represent these natural numbers? So you know what natural numbers are. So how can you write the set of natural numbers? So the set of natural numbers can be written as, in a flower bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So in this representation, we have enclosed the objects of this set in a flower bracket. That is what we usually do for sets. And each of these elements are listed. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the numbers are listed one after the other. So this type of representation is called roster form. That is, you list all the numbers. That's why it's also called list form or tabular form. You tabulate all the numbers. A roster, if you look at the word in your dictionary, this also represents a log book where all the names are written. So the whole numbers, the set of whole numbers is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is also a roster form of representation. That is, you list all the numbers, all the elements of the set. So what is the set of integers? The set of integers are so on, so on, so on. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, again so on. This is a set of integers in roster form. And we don't write the set builder forms for this because they are so basic that you need to understand what they are. So using these sets, we write the set builder form for complicated sets. Now, so let us talk about this set. So let us say that we have a set A. We have a set A which contains the numbers 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so on. So let us say that the set A is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so on. So obviously this is a set. So you know what this set is containing. So this set contains numbers of the form 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by some natural numbers, right? So this is the roster form of representation of the set. Now this set can be represented in other way. So this set can be represented like this. This set contains numbers of the form 1 by n. This set contains numbers of the form 1 by n such that n belongs to natural numbers. So when I write this and when you read this as I have read, do you understand that this represents the same set as this? So I read this as set containing the elements of the form 1 by n, where n is some natural number. That is, n is 1, so you get 1 by 1, n is 2, 1 by 2, n is 3, 1 by 3, n is 4, 1 by 4, so on. So this type of representation is called set builder form. So in set builder form, we try to catch the property of this set, the property of the elements of this set, and will exhibit that property so that I can build the set myself. For example, so if I write the set containing the elements of the form n by n plus 1 such that this line represents such that n belongs to natural numbers. So if I tell you this, can you intelligently construct this set? Yes. So if I have to construct this set becomes B is equal to the set containing, if I have to write it in roster form. First, n is a natural number, so n becomes 1 first. 1 by 1 plus 1 is 1 by 2. Next n becomes 2. 2 by 2 plus 1 is 2 by 3. 3 by 3 plus 1 is 3 by 4. 4 by 4 plus 1 is 4 by 5, so on. So this is the set I am talking about by this set builder form. So if you write the elements sequentially, one after the other, if you list all the elements, that type of representation is called roster form. So if you exhibit the property of the elements of this set, then such representation is called set builder form. So the form of set builder form is nothing but, so in the flower bracket, the element x such that x has a certain property. So this is how the set builder form of a set looks like. So let us look at some more examples to better understand roster form and set builder form. So let us look at these examples. So in the first example, A is a set of odd positive integers less than 100. So how do we write this in, how do you represent this in roster form and set builder form? So this is a description which is given in English. So let us write the mathematical way in which this can be written. So the roster form is, you can see this A is a set of odd positive integers less than 10. That means you have odd positive integers start from 1 and you have only odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are the odd positive integers which are less than 10. So this will be the roster form for this. So what will be the set builder form for this? Set builder form is nothing but a set containing an element x such that can be represented by a vertical line or a colon also. Both represent the same thing. So x such that x is a positive integer and x is odd. I can write it like this. So A contains element x such that the property is listed in the next section. X is a positive odd number and x is odd. This is one way to write this. So there are better ways to write this set in set builder form also. So let us write it like this. A is a set containing elements of the form 2x plus 1 such that, so you know that odd numbers will look like this, 2x plus 1, where x belongs to z integers and what should be the value of x? X has to be in between, right? So x can start from 0. If x is 0, the element becomes 1. If x is 1, the element is 3. X is 2, the element is 7. Element is 5. X is 3, the element is 7. X is 4, the element is 9. So I want only elements till 9. So 0 less than or x less than or equal to 4. So what does this mean? A contains elements of the form 2x plus 1 where x belongs to integers and x is in between 0 to 4. That means x cannot take all the integer values. It has to be starting from 0 and going till 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It can take 5 values. Correspond to 5 values of x. You get 5 values 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this can be a set builder form, this can also be a set builder form. You can write whatever you want. Or you can think about other ways also. Set builder form is not unique. It's not like you have only one way in which you can write the set builder form. You can write in any way. Such that, but once you write, if I apply the properties, I should be able to get the exact set that I am talking about. So next, let us go to set B. Set B is the set containing letters of the word statistics. So this is a very tricky question. So what is the set builder form of this set? Set builder form of this set is nothing but, so what are the letters that are present in the word statistics? You have an S, you have a T, you have an A, so you have a T again. So you cannot write T again here, because once you write the roster form, the elements cannot be repeated, because the elements of a set have to be well defined and well distinguished. So I cannot write a second T, then these two T's will not be well distinguishable. So S, T, A, so this T has already been listed. So you have an I, and next you have an S which has already been listed, T is already listed, I is again already listed, C is not listed, and S is already listed. So the set of letters of the word statistics contains only 5 elements. That means the word statistics is formed only by 5 letters. Some letters are repeating. And what is the set builder form for this? B is nothing but the element, set containing an element X, such that X is a letter of word statistics. So I can write it like this. Or X such that X belongs to the set STAIC. That can also be a set builder form. So you have to make sure that once you have a description, if you expand it, you should be able to get the set that we are talking about. So now if you have set C, X such that X is a positive integer and X is square less than 40. A set builder form is given. So what is a roster form for this? So this set C contains elements which are positive integers such that X square, when you square that number, it is less than 40. So positive integers start from 1. So is 1 square less than 40? Yes. 2 square is also less than 40. 3 square is less than 40. 4 square less than 40. 5 square less than 40. 6 square is less than 40. But 7 square. So if you take the element 7, 7 square is greater than 40. So 7 does not belong to this set. So you have only elements till 6. So if you take the set D, D contains 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on. This is a roster form. What is the set builder form for this? So clearly you can see that these are squares of natural numbers. So when you write set builder form, you have to catch that property. So this is a set of the squares of natural numbers. So how do you write this in set builder form? Set containing elements of the form n square such that n belongs to natural numbers. So n is a natural number, but the element of my set is n square. So when n is equal to 1, you have 1 square. N is equal to 2, you have 2 square. N is equal to 3, you have 3 square. N is equal to 4, 4 square. N is equal to 5, 5 square, so on. So this will be the set builder form for section D, set D. So I hope you understood how you can write roster form and set builder form. And what you need to remember in this topic is set builder form need not be unique. That means for the same set, you might write one answer, your friend might write one answer, both of you might be right. So set builder form is right as long as you can build the set from the given definition. Thank you.